Which programming languages should you learn in 2025? So, you want to learn programming in 2025, but you're confused about which language to choose? Don't worry, I've got you covered. But first, let's be clear. There's no best programming language. The right language for you depends on your goals. Do you want to build websites? Work in AI? Get a high-paying job? To help you decide, let's look at 5 powerful programming languages that will dominate in 2025. And trust me, the last one might surprise you. 1. Python. The king of programming. The first language on my list, and in my heart, is Python. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming. It's simple, powerful, and used in almost everything, from websites to AI to automation. I like to call Python HEB because it checks all 3 boxes. H, huge demand in the tech industry. E, easy to learn, perfect for beginners. B, best for multiple career paths. AI, data science, web dev, automation, and more. And here's a crazy fact. Top companies like Google, Netflix, and even NASA use Python. So yeah, if you want a language that can literally take you to space, Python is your guy. 2-point JavaScript. The heart of the web now. Let's talk about the language that powers the entire internet, JavaScript. But first, moment of silence for PHP. No, it's not completely dead, but let's be honest. JavaScript is the real king of web development. Here's why JavaScript is a must-learn. It's essential for front-end development. You literally can't build a modern website without it. It's powerful for back-end development. Thanks to Node.js, you can run JavaScript on servers. It's used in mobile and game development, React Native, Three.js, and more. Imagine this. Over 98% of all websites use JavaScript. That means if you learn JavaScript, you're basically controlling the internet. Not bad, huh? 3. Go, the future of high-performance apps. Now, let's talk about Go, also known as Golang. It was created by Google in 2007, and it's blazing fast. Here's why Go is gaining popularity. Insanely fast performance. It's faster than Python and JavaScript. Perfect for cloud computing and back-end development. Big companies like Google, Uber, and Dropbox use it. Easier to learn than Java or C++. It has a simple syntax but crazy speed. If you want to work in back-end development, cloud computing, or DevOps, Go is a solid choice. Plus, it's one of the highest-paying languages out there. 4. Rust, the fastest-growing language. Now let me introduce you to Rust, the programming language that's taking over. Rust is famous for memory safety and performance. But wait, what does that even mean? Well, most programming languages use garbage collection to manage memory. Rust doesn't. Instead, it has a system that prevents memory leaks while keeping lightning-fast speed. Here's why Rust is a game changer. Memory safety without garbage collection. Fewer crashes, fewer bugs. Lightning-fast performance. Faster than C++ in many cases. Huge demand in cybersecurity and blockchain. If you're into security, Rust is a must. And guess what? Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Discord are all using Rust. If you want to work on cutting-edge tech, Rust is the future. 5. Kotlin, the Android king. If you want to build mobile apps, Kotlin is the best choice. A few years ago, Android apps were built using Java. But then Google came in and said, nah, Kotlin is the future. And boom, Kotlin became the official Android language. Here's why developers love Kotlin. Official language for Android apps, 100% backed by Google. Preferred over Java. Less code, fewer bugs, and better performance. Faster and easier to use than Java. Developers love it. If you dream of building Android apps, Kotlin is non-negotiable. Which language should you learn? Still confused? Don't worry, I'll make it super easy for you. Want to build websites? JavaScript interested in AI and data science? Python. Want a high-paying back-end job? Go looking for the future of tech? Russ dreaming of mobile app development? Kotlin, and listen. Don't waste time trying to learn every language. Pick one that fits your goals, stick with it, and master it. Final thoughts. What's next? Now you know which languages will dominate in 2025. But learning a programming language is just the first step. Here's what you should do next. Pick one language from this list. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start a small project. The best way to learn is by doing. Keep practicing. Even 30 minutes a day will make a difference. Oh, and one last thing. If you want to be a legendary programmer, make sure to subscribe and click the video. It's only 4 minutes, but it might just change your life.